Hey friends, TUXX here. You know, this is kind of like round two. My Fitbit has once again died on me. Right now it's not giving a red X, basically. It's just not powering on. You hit the power button here, and sometimes you get like a little trying to sync. Sometimes you get nothing. Sometimes you just get like a tactile feedback kind of feeling to it, but you see it's not coming on. So anyway, everything seems okay with it. I'm going to go ahead and try and call support again. I'm going to record it this time, and that way you guys can check out the support conversation live, okay? All right, let's give this a shot.
You're welcome to stay on the call for a brief survey about your support experience.
And just so you're aware, your call may be monitored or recorded for quality and training, subject to our privacy policy.
Good morning, this is Julie from Fitbit Support. How may I help you?
Hi, I have a Fitbit Sense 2 that is having a weird problem where it's just not coming on.
I see. Okay, sure. I will do my best to help you with your Sense 2 that's still working. May I have your email, please?
Sure.
Okay, now work.
Okay, yeah.
Do here a verification. On your phone, you will receive a text message from Google. Please read it back to me.
G069045.
The app is telling me that it's not syncing. The last syncing was on the 12th. So the screen it's just black, right? It won't show the logo.
Yeah, right now it's black. Earlier I did try syncing it, and I got that blue line going across, and then it would just like time out, and then I have a message saying like on the app saying that it failed to sync at the top.
Okay, I see. Okay, thank you so much for trying that. If you try to hold and press the side button, can you feel any kind of vibration on the tracker?
Let me try. Yeah, like one vibration.
Okay.
The screen didn't light up though, just the vibration.
Okay, and on the back, can you see the green light flashing?
When I press and hold the button, I feel the one vibration, but I don't see a light flashing, no.
On the back. Okay. Have you tried to put it back on charge for at least an hour or half an hour?
Yeah.
To leave it on the charger.
Yeah, it's been on charge for a while. Do you think it's out of power? You think that's the problem?
No, I mean that's one of the suggestions that we have. Like leave it plugged in for
yeah. I mean, I've tried
like 30 minutes or half an hour to see.
I can try that again. I left it plugged in like overnight, and then I just didn't use it for a week or two because it didn't come back after it gave me the same problem. Like it wasn't coming on.
Okay.
Earlier today, I did try it before I made this phone call, and I was pressing the button, and it would come up with like a Fitbit logo. And then one time I had a circle, and then I tried syncing, and the sync failed.
I see. But right now, it doesn't want to turn on.
Yeah, right now if I push the button and hold it, I'm pressing and holding. I'm pressing and holding. It gives me like one vibration, but no light. After it vibrates, if I release and press again, it gives me the vibration very quickly, but still no light.
I see. Okay, Tim. Thank you so much for trying that. May I know where did you order this watch?
I think it was from Fitbit.
Fitbit.
It was a while ago, so yeah.
Okay, so it's still no response on the watch.
I'm trying one more time. I'm pressing the button. I'm holding it. It gives me like the vibration, but it doesn't come on. No light in the front, no light in the back.
Okay, Jim. No worries. Thank you so much for trying that. I think we have done pretty much all the suggestion and all the troubleshooting that we can do on the device now. I'm going to put you on hold for no more than 2 minutes, okay, to see if we can get a replacement for the device. And I will get back to you.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you so much for waiting, John, on the line. Okay, I do have here the warranty information. We are going to do the warranty replacement, okay, so you can get a replacement device. I want you to check the charger, okay, and make sure that the 4 little prongs, I want you to check and see if they look fine, if the 4 little pins are all on the same level.
Yeah, I mean, I'm looking at the charger right now. Here, let me get close. The ends, don't look frayed necessarily. The ends look good. On the end with the 4 pins, I see the 4 pins are all sticking outward. They don't seem bent or anything. I mean, I've had it for a little while, so it has a few little scuffs on it, but it's not bad looking. If you want to send charger, I could send back the old charger or something if you want.
No, if the 4 little pins, if they look fine, and
No,
it must be fine.
I
just want to know.
Yeah, they seem okay.
If they look fine. Okay.
Yeah, I see 4 pins and.
Okay, John. May I have please your home address? Okay, I have submitted the order. On your email, you will receive a confirmation from Google.
Okay. Is it one I need to respond to or anything, or just saying it when the order was placed?
No. It's just a confirmation that you're going to get a replacement soon.
Okay.
And there is a remain number. For this time, you don't have to return the device. Okay?
Okay.
We're just going to send a replacement.
Okay, sounds good.
What? If you can recycle this one if you want. Any other question that you may have?
No, will they send me a notice when it's shipped, or will I get like a tracking or anything, or?
Yes, within the next probably 1 or 2 days.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay. And any other question that you may have?
No, that should do it. I appreciate your help on this.
You're welcome. Thanks for contacting Fitbit Support. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
You too. Okay, bye-bye.
Thanks for taking a few minutes to provide your feedback. Let's get started.
All right, guys, so there you have it. Basically, we tried to troubleshoot it, and they wanted to check to see if it would power on. And before it would actually power on, where I'd hit the button, and it would try and sync, but it would fail to sync on the app. And then when I talked to the customer service rep, and it wasn't coming on, they opted just to send me a new one. So that seems like a very good outcome to me. We'll see when the new one comes, if it's actually new or refurbished or if it works. You know, I do like this watch a lot, so I'm really happy they're sending me a fresh one, and not having to send back the old one is a nice touch too. It'd be nice if they'd send a new cord too, just in case, but I'm happy enough just getting the actual device, so that's cool. So anyway, that's today's outcome. You can see how calling that phone number, which I recommended, actually did pay off. Because honestly, when this broke the second time, I was thinking that was it. It's done. You know, I was ready to throw it in the trash. So I'm really glad I didn't throw it in the trash, and I called and talked to one of the reps. Even though I've had this for a while, you can look back on the original date of the video to see when I purchased it. Fast forward about 5 days later, they shipped it, and I received it via FedEx. So they didn't really ship it slow or anything. This whole thing happened, I think it was on the weekend, so it took time for it to actually get to us. I think the original call to them was on a Friday, and so then I ended up getting it on a Friday about a week later, you know, which still isn't bad. This is how it comes in just a plain envelope. This is, of course, the replacement Sense 2, and they did say, of course, to keep the old one, so I'm probably going to throw it away eventually, but for right now, I'm going to keep messing with it as kind of an experiment unit. But I wasn't really sure if they were going to ship like a whole new package, like a retail package, or just like the OEM part, and it looks like this is just the part. So let's see what we have in here. We'll try and rip into this. Here we go, and it looks like, oh, it's actually interesting. Okay, this is a little more than I thought here. It does have a special like replacement Fitbit envelope that looks like it is scotch taped shut, which is interesting, although it's kind of opened. That's interesting. Fitbit by Google. Okay, so kind of like a replacement part and a special little pouch. And boy, I can't tell. It honestly looks like, yeah, this has been opened before, guys. This not only, okay, it has tape, but check out, the tape is not even like taped. It's like this has been opened. Maybe this was someone else's return. I don't know. And that looks like that might have been torn apart. Let's see what this looks like here. So inside of here, okay, there's like a little pouch inside of the envelope. And inside of here, we'll pull this out. This is, okay, so this looks good. This has like the Fitbit, like little paper around it here. And we'll pull off the little piece. This looks brand new. Looking at the glossiness, see the glossiness of the piece? That really looks new to me. Very good. I don't know if it has a charge, but we'll give it like a little hit here. There we go, it's booting up. Did give you some tactile feedback when you pressed it, and then there was like a pause of nothing for a while. And now it looks like we're probably going to go into a setup sequence. Yeah, so we'll go ahead and spin it around here. We'll hit English. We'll probably have to sync this with our actual device here. You got to get started, sync with the device. It's very responsive and really good. So I'm going to go ahead and get this set up. And I just wanted to show this to you, and thank you for watching, guys, all right? And definitely call that number. It's well worth doing. Don't throw away your old unit, okay? If you guys have any question about this process, reach out to me, tuxtoys@gmail.com, okay? Thanks for watching, friends. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.